Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Quality Inn, Dundee. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. The hotel is located across the street from Splash Universe Water Park and is close to several other popular area attractions, including the St. Julian Winery, the Milan Dragway racetrack, Lake Erie and the River Raisin. The University of Michigan is just under half-hour away. Be sure to tour the Old Mill Museum and the Monroe County Historical Museum, featuring General Custer exhibits. Numerous outlets and specialty stores are only minutes away, including Cabela's. The array of restaurants and cocktail lounges in the surrounding area will satisfy all appetites. Full-service amenities and features are provided such as a free hot breakfast buffet, free coffee, free wireless high-speed internet access and an indoor heated pool. Stay in shape while traveling by working out in our fitness center. Business guests of this hotel will appreciate conveniences like access to copy and fax services and the on-site meeting room. All guest rooms are well equipped with coffee makers, spacious desks, pillow-top mattresses, hair dryers, irons, ironing boards and cable television. In addition, all rooms feature microwaves, refrigerators and flat-screen televisions. Suites have balconies overlooking the pool area. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.